Welcome to the Glass Bead Studio here at the Manitou Art Center. My name is Janine Scott. I'm one of the instructors here at the MAC, and I do teach glass bead making. In order to do so, it does require fire. So I'm going to go over some of the safety things that you need to know before you come in here. If you are already familiar with the lampwork equipment, then this is your refresher. And if not, then you're going to need to take a certification class with me. Just so you know, this studio is for glass bead making only, and we also have a policy where we want to have only soft glass here as well. Lampwork studio rules. First of all, make sure your hair is back and out of the way before you work. We have didymium glasses available so that you can cancel out the sodium flare to protect your eyes. We do have these available for you to use. Do not wear long sleeves. Secure all your loose clothing. Be sure you put up your sleeves if you're wearing tight sleeves. Do not wear long synthetic fingernails. It's a bad move. And also always wear closed-toed footwear. So some of the class supply things that we do offer here that you can use, they're in this little green box here. They include didymium glasses, marvers, paddles, tweezers, picks, all sorts of different things that you can use. If you don't know how to use a tool, be sure to ask me and I'll be sure to tell you how to use the tool. These are class supply glass rods. When you come in here on your own, you do need to bring your own glass rods. But when you're taking a class, or if you are in here and you need a certain color, you're welcome to grab one from the class supply. If you do have too many colors and you'd like to add to the class supply, it would be really greatly appreciated. Due to the nature of this type of artwork, we are using flammable gases at about 2,000 degrees worth of heat. So it is very important that if you have not used one of these torches before and are not familiar with using oxygen and propane together on a torch, that you come and talk to me and I'd be happy to certify you. We can find out what you do know and I can give you a quick run-through certification. So we have ceramic fire blanket available in case you want to make smaller spacer beads or little tiny things, or if you're just starting out and you don't want to put them in the kiln, we do have this available. We also have a kiln available. This is a chili pepper kiln. If you have any questions about using this, definitely contact me and I'll be happy to show you. Our kiln scheduling is very new, so bear with us as we figure out kiln schedules with the glass if you do need to use the kiln. This is basically the studio safety rules, so definitely give this a look when you come in, and that is going to cover a lot of the stuff, or at least some of the stuff that I just covered in this video, but these are some additional things that you might need to know. This is how to turn on the ventilation. Fire extinguisher, very important thing to know where it is. It's right next to the front doors that you came in from. So if you need to use it, that's where it is. Another safety issue that you should remember is that you always need to bleed your lines when you finish up in here after you've already been doing the glass work and been joyously making beads. It is important that you bleed those lines so we don't have any gases in the lines when you leave. So I hope you end up taking some glass bead classes with me. My name is Janine Scott. My nickname is J9, and I've been doing the glass for 25 years. Please feel free to ask me any questions that you like. My information is available up front and also on the information sheets in the studio. If you'd like to take a class, or if you have any questions, please feel free to check out the front desk. Thank you.